Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Today let's draw a cactus illustration. I'm using brush pens today and I'm going to use a watercolor paper so I can spread the colors. With an olive-like color, I'm going to start by drawing the cactus shape, and instead of keeping it just like a solid green color, I'm adding another dark green into it. And then to just blend everything together, I'm using a paintbrush but very little water, and then once the colors are blended, I'm adding a drop of water so that the colors kind of bleed into each other and you have this uneven colors, which looks really nice for a cactus. So once I have all of the shapes in place, I like the way this cactus looks. I have a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow along on my blog. I'll leave a link to it in the description box as well. Now let's add a pot to this. I'm adding yellow color, but you can use any color, of course. And you want to add a darker area and a lighter area, and I'm just coloring it in again. A little bit of water, not too much. I'm adding pink flowers. I love the way these pink flowers look on the cactus. And then what I'm going to do is for the little mud area, I'm mixing the green and the pink itself just to get a kind of dirty greenish pink. And that's my finished cactus illustration. I added an outline to it, and I love how this one turned out. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, friends. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!